Look at this beautiful setting. You can see how challenging it is. Right in the center of Hamburg, on the most high-profile square that Hamburg has, the Rathausmarkt. Hello, my name is Konrad Strauber. I'm the event director at the German Triathlon Union, where I'm primarily responsible for the triathlon here in Hamburg. Preliminary planning actually begins a year in advance. After the event is before the event, and we have to really think about all the challenges in Hamburg city center, including pedestrians, roadworks, traffic, etc. To achieve this, we need service providers and partners who work with us to set everything up.
At Still, we offer various rental periods for both our short-term and long-term rental fleets. You can rent Still forklift trucks from us by the day, week, month, or for up to 5 years. Diesel forklifts are in demand in the event industry in particular. My name is Timo Gubernatis and I work as a regional rental manager at Still. I'm here at Hamburg City Hall to deliver an event fleet. I am also a contact for our customers for product rentals, both in the office and directly on site. We offer the most complete portfolio of rental products with everything from front loaders to low lift pallet trucks, but also special equipment such as scissor lift and telescopic forklifts.
For Hamburg's Rathausmarkt Square, we have to use special pneumatic tires. We also need a larger forklift truck to lift a container and use many forklifts to set up blockades, which we then use bit by bit over the weekend. So we also need more flexibility during delivery, collection and use, and in terms of service. If anything should happen, we know who to contact.
Pneumatic tires were required in this case in particular. Hamburg's Rathausmarkt Square has a special surface. The paving stones have to be protected. So in this case we need pneumatic tires on the forklift trucks. We have over 30 locations in Germany alone with 8,200 industrial trucks available at short notice. We offer the German Triathlon Union an end-to-end service. Full service and freight costs are included with the trucks.
The partnership depends on how flexible you are, how well you know each other, and how much you trust each other. Our collaboration has developed into a very, very good relationship.